Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device so the update can run without errors. First, charge the Oppo K12X 5G to at least 50% or keep it plugged in. This prevents shutdowns mid-update. Next, back up your important data to cloud or PC because updates can rarely fail. Once done, join a stable Wi-Fi network and make sure you have about 500 MB or more free storage. Now, open Settings and go directly to Software Update to check for available firmware. You download and install the update carefully because each step prepares the system. When the update shows up, tap Download and watch the progress. This uses Wi-Fi and may take several minutes. Read the release notes so you know what fixes or features are included. That helps decide if you need the update now. Once the package finishes, press Install, the phone will verify, patch system files, and then reboot. Make sure you do not force close power during installation to avoid corruption. You complete the process by verifying the update and resolving any issues. After reboot, check settings about phone to confirm the new build and run your main apps to ensure stability. If the phone enters a boot loop or behaves oddly, boot into recovery mode and clear the cache partition first. This often fixes residual conflicts. If problems persist, restore your backup selectively and then contact Oppo support for advanced help. Remember, clearing cache preserves data, whereas factory reset erases it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.